Calm down first, or you're not going to be able to do it.
Come get the mom. Come here. Come see mom. Oh, not to crawl to mom. No. We see you do that all the time. Walk it to mom.
You let go of me.
Are you scared?
She pulled herself up on that, then she walked away from it.
Jaden, come here, baby. Oh, we fell on our butt.
Alright, so there's our pickle.
Jaden!
Go from one toy to the next. We're gonna coax you. You're like running, baby girl. I run. I need my other toy. I need it so bad.
Hi. You walk like Grandma walks. Whoa.
Oh, yay, big girl.
Put the face in the floor.
One more time.
There's a butt shot.
Hi.
Jaden.
Oh, ADHD. ADHD.
Oh, now she's gonna crawl to
You're
it.
a cheater.
You cheat! You cheat!
Game over.
Alright, we're done. Goodbye.